guys, what's up? Welcome to Always Alyssa. Guess what? I'm on a road trip, and right now I'm at a rest stop, but it's actually a pretty rest stop. So while I was walking, I got a bunch of stickers on the bottom of my feet.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy. Dang. Look at that. We're driving and we just hit New Mexico, and now we're in a huge dust storm, but it's also raining and 90 degrees outside. We stopped at Firehouse Subs for dinner, my favorite sandwich shop. Okay, so we're at Grandma and Grandma's house. Here's where I slept last night on this pull-out bed. And look, I have pink sheets. So awesome, huh? And then, okay, so here's where I usually keep my suitcase on this desk right here. I just finished packing it back up. It's a little, seems a little full. I feel like I always have a problem with, I don't know, not being able to pack correctly on the way back, whenever we're going home or whatever. We're not going home, but I'm just saying, I always struggle with that. I've also been putting on aloe vera. It's for my sunburn, which I got recently. I've been putting this on every day because I don't know if you guys can still tell, but I got sunburn on both legs pretty bad when we went rafting, so I've been using this a lot. Oh, look at Simba. Hi, Simba. How are you doing? He just fetched his ball. Aw. Okay, we made it to our first beach of the trip, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm so excited. We're about to go to the beach. It's so pretty already. I love Panama City. There's some fish in the water. Storms going on out here. Multiple. We went to Cece's Pizza. Here's our hotel room. I'm gonna sleep right here. And we have a balcony. Now we're heading out to the spa / lazy river / pool. So cool. Oh, go, 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 go.
Oh, there's so many.
There he goes. Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to catch him again.
Okay.
If I can. Oh. There's crabs on my feet.
Really?
Yeah, there's so many. Oh my God.
Okay, so we got back from the beach. It was a lot of fun, and I promised Owen that I would take him to the vending machine to get him some Oreos or some candy because he got a little cut on his side and it hurt him really bad. He was super sad, he was crying, so I told him to help it feel better, I would get him some candy. So I'm gonna go take him right now. Owen came to the vending machine and he's gonna get a little candy. He's gonna get Oreos. There it is.
Yay.
Oreos.
Mommy!
they get struck by lightning or something. Wow, speedy. Huh? Huge storm. Tornado. We just got to this awesome hotel. Here's where I'm gonna be sleeping, and I'll show you guys a couple other rooms. There's literally an elevator right there. Like, look how crazy that is. An elevator in our room. Anyways, here's the twins' room. Look at the cute pillows on the beds. This place is huge. Oh, hi, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hello. Oh my gosh. There's like a whole room in there. Hi, Owen. Here's the living room. It's so big. Oh my gosh, it's so small. It's tiny. No! Oh my gosh. It's so tiny. Oh, your feet up. To eat and it's raining and I got some pasta. It looks so good. It was totally pouring earlier.
Oh, now it's...
Wow.
What if you just had a straw out there?
Oh my gosh, it's like shaking the house. We're in Georgia now, and look at this pretty place we stopped at. We're staying here in Georgia with my voice teacher who we're really good friends with. She's awesome, and she took us on an outing today. I'm so excited to make it down to the river. We stopped at a gas station and got some treats. My hair is like so messy right now because it's a little windy. We just got to my grandparents' house again. We were making our way back on our road trip and we decided to stop again, which is so exciting. And I'm going to be staying in the computer room just like last time. I have my pillow and blanket and my backpack already, and I'm gonna go get my suitcase. And then I'll set up my bed. We had some quick sandwiches for dinner. Now we're stopping at Panera Bread for lunch. Look how good this looks. Look at this. Today we're at the Dr. Pepper Museum in Texas. We're gonna be taste testing some sodas. Ooh. Interesting.
I already smell it. Already smell it. All right. Unless it's your deodorant.
I already have a guess.
Everyone's good.
Look how cool. It's so pretty in here. It smells so good. I was in Texas. I was sleeping in my grandma and grandpa's house in the computer room, and we did a lot of fun stuff this week. We just went out to eat to BJ's. That was super fun. I kind of forgot to film a video, but we also went boating this week, which was super awesome. I got to do wake surfing, which was so much fun, and tubing, which was amazing. I want to do it again. It was so much fun. I loved it. Anyways, it's so sad, but we are leaving Texas today. We're gonna start making our way back home, and I've been packing up my suitcase. We're at a gas station and we're picking out some treats. Here's what I got, some ice cream. We just stopped on the side of the road when we were driving in Texas. It's like midnight, super late, and we saw some really pretty shooting stars. We saw the Milky Way. It was so cool. We got some really cool pictures, and there's so many bright stars. It was awesome. I'm gonna put some pictures in right now so you guys can see what we saw. Leave me a comment about the last time you guys saw a shooting star.
And there's literally the cutest little mouse. Alyssa thinks it's a desert something or other, but it's basically a mouse. Usually you don't see those kinds of things.
Cute mouse.
Oh gosh. That right there. So you gotta be careful. There's a rainbow. Got our snacks and we're heading back out.
Well, everybody, I just got back from the road trip. I had a lot of fun. It was amazing. You guys are gonna have to comment and tell me your favorite part of the road trip, but me, I don't really know if I can pick a favorite part. I mean, I really did like going to Texas. That was a lot of fun, and Florida, as always. I mean, I just love Panama City Beach. It's so pretty there. Those are probably two of my favorite spots. I mean, Arizona was fun. All of it was a lot of fun, and Georgia. So, make sure you guys tell me what you liked about this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Thanks for watching!